Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to I'm Me Bearho TV. My name is Liz, and today I'm going to show you how to make fresh homemade soy milk. Soy milk is healthy, nutritious, dairy-free, and very easy to dip at home. And the best part? You only need a few ingredients. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup soybeans and 4 cups clean water. Make sure your soybeans are clean and good quality. First, we need to soak the soybeans. Add enough water to cover them and let them soak for about 8 hours or overnight. Once soaked, the beans will become soft and bigger. Next, gently rub the beans between your hands to remove the skins. Then rinse them several times until most skins are removed. Now we move to the blending stage. Add the soybeans into your blender, then pour in 4 cups of water. Blend until the mixture becomes smooth and milky. Next, we need to strain the mixture to separate the liquid from the soybean pulp. Squeeze well to extract all the milk. Now it's time to cook the soy milk. Boil it on medium heat for about 15-20 minutes. Make sure you stir occasionally so it doesn't burn. If you like, you can add sugar, honey, or vanilla flavor. This makes the soy milk taste even better. And there you have it, fresh homemade soy milk. It's healthy, natural, and perfect for breakfast. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and keep cooking. Bye.